Welcome to ISA 2010. My name is Randy Parr. I'm the marketing manager for display graphics here in the US, and I'd like to show you an exciting new product called the Oce Arizona 550 GT UV curable flatbed printer. We have it here currently printing on a roll option, and we're just going to be preparing a flatbed job in the meantime. The Oce Arizona 550 GT is a new product that will carry on the tradition of our award-winning products prior to this, starting with the Oce Arizona 250 GT. The 250 GT was launched in 2007 and has basically put us on the map big time as having one of the most popular UV curable flatbed printers ever in the industry. And one reason behind that is we really listened to the market in regards to what they wanted in a UV curable flatbed printer. And number one was image quality, and as a result we've won countless awards based on image quality. Since that time we've also listened to the market and what they wanted, and one thing was white ink. We have white ink now on our 350 GT, our 350 XT, and now this new 550 GT as well. Our customers also were looking at speed. Most shops were quite comfortable with the speeds of the 350 and the 250 GT, but some shops of course wanted a bit more, and we've now given that to them with the 550 GT. The 550 GT will give you an astounding 433 square feet per hour in production mode. That's a very highly sellable mode that basically most of the work is printed in. We've also introduced a new speed this year, which is called Express Mode. We can actually now produce at 657 square feet an hour, which puts us in a totally different league all onto this new product. One thing about our product overall, regardless if it was a 250 GT, a 350, or a 550, is the fact that we use a stationary flatbed. Media is held stationary on the UV table, UV curable flatbed system, and that prevents media from moving around, and it also allows us to hit the media very accurately with our dot placement. This also means we can print onto irregular shaped objects and hold them stationary without ever needing a jig. A lot of hybrid systems couldn't even come close to touching that sort of versatility. The nice thing is also with that stationary architecture, we can print double-sided and very accurate registration, which is a very nice, useful feature. It means less waste, it means totally new applications, and being able to print on things other than just 4x8s. One thing we'll be printing here today are things like aluminum sign blanks in this case. So we have a pre-cut piece off the shelf that we'll end up printing directly onto. There's also many creative applications. They utilize not only being able to print onto small pieces, but being able to use white ink and being able to print in registration on double sides, like these little picture frames that we've done here at the show. So really you're limited only by your imagination, and the 550 GT printer from Oce gives you even more flexibility to do some amazing things. The stationary flatbed table really allows us to do unique things, as I mentioned, just with the aluminum sign blanks we're going to print. All without a jig. What we have the luxury of doing is being able to print a template like we're doing here on the table right now. That template is the outline of these pieces that we will then just put in place and be able to print directly onto. So I hope you found the Arizona 550 GT interesting and something that you can find a very good use for in your business. And we definitely want to hear from you and explain all the benefits that your business can receive from this fabulous product. Thank you very much.